welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cheese is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The audio features a calm, informative voiceover narration explaining how precise timing and temperature control create perfect curd formation.
We're seeing a spike in the coagulation levels here.
Adjusting the feed rate now, looks stable.
Confirmed.
Maintain current parameters.
Each batch is refined and monitored for texture, moisture, and quality.
Every cheese product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how cheese is made, Braxton rather, from start to finish.